Hey everyone, welcome back! In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to watch Zeus Network on your Vizio Smart TV using your phone or tablet. It's really easy, let's walk through it. First, head over to the Zeus Network website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Next, install the Zeus app on your device either from the App Store if you're using an iPhone or iPad, or from the Google Play Store if you're using an Android phone or tablet. Once the app is installed, log in using your Zeus account credentials. Now, make sure your Vizio Smart TV is connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your mobile device. This step is important, because casting only works when both devices are on the same network. Open the Zeus app and start playing any show or movie you want to watch, then tap the Google Cast icon in the top corner of the app. When your Vizio Smart TV appears in the list, select it tanned, just like that. Your content will start playing on the big screen, and that's all it takes to enjoy Zeus Network on your Vizio Smart TV. If this helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more streaming tutorials, and let us know in the comments what you're watching on Zeus. Thanks for tuning in.